105 divided by 15. Here 15 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 15. 15 times 0, 0, 15 times 1, 15, 15 times 2, 30, 15 times 3, 45, 15 times 4, 60, 15 times 5, 75. To find out the multiplication table of 15, just add 15 with the previous step. 0 plus 15, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 15, 60, 60 plus 15, 75, 75 plus 1590. This process will continue, right? 15 goes into this 1 how many times? Actually 1 is less than 15, so 0 times 0 times 15, 0, subtract, you are getting 1, bring down the next digit 10. 15 goes into 10 how many times? 0 times, as 10 is less than 15, so 0 times 15, 0, subtract, you are getting 10, bring down this 5. Now 15 goes into 105 how many times? Guess a number here, okay, or from multiplication table you can easily find. Okay, 105, 15 goes into 105 7 times. 7 times 15, which is 105. 7 times 15, which is 105. So subtract, you are getting 0. Let me show you this. 7 times 15, multiply 7 times 5, 35, write 5, carry 3 to the next column. 7 times 1, 7, plus 3, 10, so 105. So 007 means 7 is our answer.